Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make gummy bears big with water. First, gather your materials. You'll need a handful of gummy bears, a clear glass or bowl, and some plain tap water. Make sure your container is clean and ready for the experiment. This simple setup is all you need to observe a fascinating scientific phenomenon right in your own home. Let's get started with the first step. Now, carefully place your gummy bears into the clear container. Next, pour enough tap water over them so that they are fully submerged. It's important that they are completely covered to ensure even absorption. Let them soak for a minimum of 8 hours, or for best results, leave them overnight. Patience is key for this part of the experiment, as the magic happens slowly over time. After soaking, carefully remove your gummy bears from the water. You'll immediately notice a dramatic change in their size. Place one of your enlarged gummy bears next to a fresh, unsoaked one for a clear comparison. You'll see they've grown considerably, often becoming 2 or 3 times their original size. Observe their texture too. They might feel softer and more delicate than before. The amazing growth you observed is due to a scientific process called osmosis. Gummy bears are made of gelatin and sugar, which create a semi-permeable membrane. Water molecules from the glass move into the gummy bear, from an area of higher water concentration to an area of lower water concentration. This influx of water causes the gummy bear to swell and become much larger, demonstrating osmosis in action.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.